channel, welcome back to my channel. My name is Quanjenae, and today I am going to be using color oops to take this some of this color out of my hair that I put in my hair probably I'd say 3 months ago. So like 3 months ago I dyed my hair jet black, and I'll insert a little clip here so y'all can see it was like jet black. It wasn't a natural black, it was jet black. But now my hair is it's kind of fading, so I hope y'all can tell. It's like you can see the hints of brown popping out, and I want to dye it like a copper ginger color, so I want to make sure that all the color is out. So I'm going to use color oops to see if I can get the rest of the black out, and I hope that it works. Hope I'm not just doing this for no reason, but I feel like most of it has washed away, which is a good thing. And my natural roots, they're just kind of like a dark brown. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah. So my hair is growing and my locks look really good, so hoping that my hair does not fall out. And I'm just gonna see where this goes, but I'm super excited because I was tired of black, and before I dyed my hair black, my hair was red, so I had red on top of black. So I was like, it may be best for me to try the color oops so we can see if any of the color gonna lift out. So I'm just gonna hope for the best, and yeah, we gonna go with it, but we gonna see. My hair is freshly washed, so I washed my hair yesterday. I was supposed to do this like 3 days ago, but I am lazy. But I washed my hair. Oh, I think I washed my hair 2 days ago. Whatever the case, my hair, I haven't done anything to my hair. I washed my hair, I dried it, and then I left it alone. So my hair is freshly washed. Haven't put any oil in it. Haven't put any product in it because the colors, when I read online, it says best if you do it with freshly washed hair and make sure your hair is dry. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm about to read the directions a little bit and see what all I gotta do. And I use this one time before. I know for a fact this right here is the hopefully I'll be able to see it. I'll put it in the camera like this. So this is the extra strength one that I'm using, and yeah, so we're gonna see how this goes. So I read the directions, and basically supposed to put this on my hair, mix the 2 bottles, 1 and 2, put it on my hair, let it sit for 20 minutes, no more than 20 minutes. I'm gonna do 20. I'll probably do like 15 because it's probably gonna take me like 5 minutes to put it in my hair. And then I'm supposed to rinse it out for 20 minutes. And I know for a fact when I used this before, I did not rinse it out for 20 minutes. But that's what I'm saying. When I used it before, I know it stinks really bad. And people were saying, oh, like my hair still stinks. I washed it twice, I washed it 3 times, hair still stinks, blah, 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 blah. So I'm gonna try to rinse it for I'm trying to like set me up a little station where I could sit by my shower and just let the little water hair run in my hair. So I'm gonna try to do 20 minutes because, especially because I'm about to dye my hair again, so I don't want it. I don't know. I feel like when I used this before, I did dye my hair right after that, but I don't know. We gonna see. We gonna hope for the best. So yeah, because I really don't know. But I'm supposed to put 1 and 2. I just read it, but it do come with gloves. But yeah, I'm supposed to put bottle 2 into bottle 1. So, and then I guess put the cap of bottle. That don't make no sense. Add contents to bottle 1. Oh yeah, I read it so backwards. Add bottle 1 into bottle 2. Yeah, that was very backwards. And also, I know I said that. I got a mask because if y'all don't know, I am pregnant and I am want to be smelling and all types of crazy stuff. So I got me a mask to put on that I mirror. I'm probably gonna put it on because the bathroom kind of small, but that's why I got the door open just so I'm not like in here with all these different types of chemicals and smells. But we're gonna see if I need to put it on or not. But put it in there. Shake it a little. I don't think. Oh, yeah, I'm only supposed to shake it for 30 seconds. So shake it for 30 seconds and then we'll see. I hope this works, y'all, because I really want my hair to be kind of like a bright orange. I think people do the color in their hair and it's been like bright orange. I need to make sure that I'm not, have to wrap this around my neck. Make sure I ain't getting nothing on my neck. I don't think I need to put like a Vaseline barrier around my scalp like I do when I do gel. But actually I am gonna do that. I'm gonna do a little Vaseline just to be on the safe side. They didn't say, I don't think this has like actual chemicals in it, because not actual, but it's not like bleach or nothing like that where you gotta put a barrier. But we're gonna do a little something just so it ain't oh yeah. So just in case. Yeah. Okay, I have some just because I'm really not about to play in this bathroom. Oh, also, it may get a little loud. I'm turning it on. So this part I might speed up. Y'all might not be able to hear me because safety first. So, oh, I don't even know if I can put this mask on because it go around your head. Listen. Okay, safety first. Don't know if y'all can hear me. Okay, so basically for this part, I just obviously put my gloves on, and I hate the gloves that come with the dyeing things. I like to use the gloves that are tight around the wrist, but whatever. So I didn't focus on my roots for this part because obviously, like I mentioned before, my roots have already grown out, and this doesn't like dye your hair in any type of way. It only lifts color from your hair that you already previously had in your hair. So it was no point for me to waste like, the product on putting it directly on my roots. So I just tried to get it mostly on like my locks and where I knew the color started. But y'all will see me like rubbing around, and don't like think that I'm rubbing this like in my scalp when y'all see me go in and start rubbing it, because I'm not putting it like directly on my scalp or trying to rub it into my scalp. I'm really trying to squeeze it into my locks to make sure that it is penetrating my locks to get any color that is in there. Because when I do dye my locks, like when I dyed it black and when I dyed them red, I do the same thing and make sure that like it's actually getting into my lock and dyeing all the strands of the hair that's in my lock. For me, I didn't part my hair. Like normally when I'm dyeing, I'll part my hair into 4 sections or smaller sections, like 6 sections, and then I will like go through and make sure I'm getting the product through. But this was really like watery, and it was so that also like kind of made it get all over the place and stuff. So I was just trying to make sure that my hair was lathered up, but it was very hard to tell because the solution is clear. So I was just kind of going with the flow, and I just made sure I used the whole bottle. I wasn't even sure if my whole head like had enough of it on there, so I was really just doing trial and error, and if I had to go get another bottle then I would have, because I remember when I used this before, and I believe I used this on my loose hair when I didn't have locks, and I used 2 bottles. So me getting 1 bottle was more so like, okay, I'll see where this goes with this, and just me trying to use it all over. But like I said, I couldn't tell if my whole hair was lathered because I had on gloves, and I really couldn't see because it wasn't making my locks like wet. It was just like kind of getting on there, and it like was making it seem like it was kind of drying. So I was trying my best to just make sure I was running my hands through my locks and just squeezing all over it like y'all see me doing. And I was just even after I used the product, I was just kept running my hands through my locks to make sure that it was evenly distributed, or just like I said, trying my best to see if it was all around because it was hard to tell. Also, y'all see me grab my reusable shower cap. If y'all see the droplets like dripping from the side of my hair, that's from me washing the reusable shower cap in the water that was left over in there. That's not from the solution dripping from out of my hair. Okay, y'all, I'm about to let this stuff do stink. I'm smelling it through the mask. I'm about to let it sit for 15 minutes. I'm about to hurry up and try to set my timer, and then I'll be back to show y'all how it look in 15 minutes. Alright, it's been 15 minutes. I'm about to take it off and see what we're looking at. Yeah, oh shoot. It's brown. It's brown. Okay, hold up. Let me show y'all face to face, camera to camera, so y'all can actually see. Y'all can actually see what I'm working with. I'm so excited. Okay, it did. I should have took pictures in the like actual light so y'all could really see. But it's really brown. It's brown, 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 brown. I'm so actually, y'all, what's really funny is I feel like my hair is gonna be really, really light when I dye it because this is kind of the color I want right here, bro. So we gonna see, Okay, I'm gonna jump in the shower and wash this out for 20 minutes. Well, I'm gonna rinse it first, and then I'm gonna get in the shower for like 10 minutes after I shampoo twice, just so no chemicals don't really get on my skin and stuff like that, and then I'll be back. So this was my hair after I washed it about 4 times when I was in the shower, and I loved how it came out. And like I said, this was kind of the color I was going for, but I ended up going very lighter than this, and it's more of a ginger copper color. So if you want to see how that color turned out after I dyed it, make sure y'all go check out the part 2 of this video that I will be posting soon, and make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.